Hey guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're gonna be discussing question 9 from the program challenge. So question 9 says write a program that will ask for number of days, then will show the number of hours, minutes and seconds or in that number of days. So just to let you know, a side note, the conversion from days to hours to minutes and seconds would be that one day consists of 24 hours. 24 hours consists of 24 times 60 minutes, and 24 times 60 times 60 um, would be the number of seconds. Alright, so this is again a fairly simple task. It looks complicated at first because the question is pretty huge and sounds complicating, but it really is not. So again, it's so simple that we just need one input from the user. So let's get that. Let's say days is equals to input. Now make sure you again have the int block around the input to make sure it's an int, or to make sure the input is an int, not a string. How many days? So the user gives you the number of days as an input. And again, since one day has 24 hours, so let's say hours equals equals day times of 24. Alright, now minutes would be day times, okay, now I've mentioned days and not day. Again, be careful with the variables. It gets really frustrating when you're writing a huge block of code and you miss one keyword and the whole code is one. So days times 24 times of 60, that would give the number of minutes, or the minutes. And then seconds is basically the whole minutes times of 60. Seconds times 60. Alright, and that should, yeah, that should work. Now let's print, um, to make it look more user friendly, let's say days, or days print. Let me just copy paste so I don't have to copy my code. 1 2 3, there you go. Okay, hours would be hours, minutes would be minutes, and seconds would be seconds. Alright, now again, there you can also solve this problem using the lazy method, but I'm going to show that to you in a minute. Let's run this first. So how many days? Let's say one day consists of 24 hours, 1,440 minutes, and 86,400 seconds. Alright, that seems about right. So let's try the lazy method. Now, in lazy method, you get rid of all the variables and just compress it into just print statements. So we copy the days, or in fact, we copy the hours because we have assigned this to hours and not days. We copy the hours, Control C, Control V, alright. Or if you're in Mac, it's Command C, Command V. Let's get the minutes and paste it, get the seconds and paste it. However, just to let you know guys, I don't recommend the lazy method because it's just me being lazy and not wanting to write extra code. Trust me, writing extra bit of code such as these variables over here are really helpful, since when you're writing long codes and not writing shortcuts, you know what's going on. Like over here, I would not know what is day times 24 unless I really try to, okay, well, I would know because I know what days time 24 is right now. However, when I come back to this code, I would be thinking, what was I trying to do? So yeah, this is gonna work again. It's gonna give you the same value, same input. Um, However, it's really recommended to write extra bit of code and make your code here.